Hi, my name is Leslie, Cruise Director on board the Disney Fantasy, and we're very proud to announce our new Royal Court, Royal Tea.
Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful Princess Jaylee and the brave Knight Wesley.
There's a royal greeting. Upon entering the royal court, Lady Chamomile will present our princes with a sword and our princesses with their very own crown. So it is, in a sense, a very royal greeting to the event. The event is hosted by Chef Brûlée and Lady Chamomile, who are two hosts coming from their own unique enchanted tale. And through their own storytelling, they'll be introducing princesses who come out and meet and greet individually with each of our guests at their tables.
How do you do?
And it's a heartwarming experience for all ages to enjoy, whether you're a grandparent or a parent watching your own children get to experience this magical tale as if it's come to life right before their very eyes.
Bring on the tea!
There are unique treats that will be served throughout the event, some savory snacks and also some sweet treats as well. And the adults getting a chance to enjoy some tea, and for our younger cruisers, some apple juice they'd like. Each of our younger cruisers, our prince or princesses, will also be receiving a special tea cupcake.
And for the ladies, the exquisite treasure boxes. Please look inside. In it you will find charm jewelry from Prince Charming himself.
Our prince and princesses each receive unique gifts. Our princes receive Duffy Bears, pins, as well as an autograph book. And our princesses receive a beautiful jewelry box, a Cinderella doll, a special autograph book as well, and a charm bracelet that the princesses will help fill up with their own unique individual charms. We can't wait for you to join us for tea on your next sailing. The Royal Court Royal Tea is sure to create lasting memories for you and your family.